Hey everyone, Technoment here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to insert or remove a SIM card from your iPhone 6s or 6s Plus. So let's get started. So the SIM card on the 6s and 6s Plus is located on the right hand side, right here where you see that hole. This outline indicates that's where the SIM goes. So in order to first remove the tray, what you'll need is a SIM ejector tool, which is going to look like this. Now, if you don't have this, or you got a used phone or pre-owned, or you simply lost this, you can also just take a paper clip and bend it like this, or any metal kind of piece, maybe even an old earring that can fit in that hole to pop out the SIM tray. So in order to pop it out, all you take is that metal piece that you have like this, and you're going to give it a gentle push. So it does take a little bit of effort to push it in, and it simply pops it out like that. And then you can use your finger to pull out the tray. Now, once you've pulled out the tray, we need to place our SIM card. The SIM card the iPhone 6s and the 6s takes is known as the nano size SIM card, which your carrier should provide to you, or you can take it out of your old phone. And you'll see there's a cut corner on the SIM card, which you want to line up. Usually the logo should face upward so that it fits nice and flush like that. And to insert it back in, you just take it, again, line up the hole, and then you can just press it in. And from there on, your phone should start getting service. You should see your carrier show up here. Now, for some reason, it doesn't. There's a couple of troubleshooting steps you can do. First thing is make sure the phone has if it needs to be activated, just try to activate it here. Make sure that when you do put it in, the SIM card has service. Sometimes you have to call the company up to let them know you have a new phone so they can add the phone's IMEI number to their system, which is going to be found in settings, general, about, and they might ask you for this number to add on their system, which is known as the IMEI number. Other things to also consider is that sometimes the SIM card might be damaged. You might need to get a new SIM card, and also want to make sure your phone is compatible. Sometimes the SIM card that you have either has to be for that phone carrier, or your phone has to be on lock, which you can check by carrier lock. When it says no SIM restriction, that means this phone is unlocked, so I can use any carrier. But if it's SIM locked to a specific carrier, you can only use it on that carrier that it is compatible with. So those are a couple things to do. And the other thing you could also do is restart your phone. If it doesn't read the SIM right away, simply just hold on to this side button like this until the screen goes black. You can just slide it over and then turn it back on with the same exact method, and that will kind of reread the SIM card if it didn't read it the first time. And sometimes you do have to wait a few minutes for the phone to show up. So if you inserted a SIM correctly, don't worry, just give it some time. Call your company or carrier just to verify your phone service is active and ready to be used. And if they need the IMEI number, they can also add that to their system. And after that, your SIM card should be working. I hope this video helped you guys on being able to remove or insert a SIM card into your iPhone 6s, 6s Plus. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.